Idol, tama ba sinasabi niyo lagi na walking to burn fat? Oh, walking to burn fat. Walking, maglakad ka ng 10 minutes, window shopping, grocery, market, walk your dog, walk your baby, walk your parents, walk with your loved one, your girlfriend, your wife, walking. Minimum of 10 minutes, lalo na after kumain. Kasi, hindi to, alam niyo yung gamot ng mga diabetic, hindi ako diabetic, yung metformin, mas matindi pag nag-walking tayo. Hindi tayo magiging insulin resistant. Yung carbs na pupunta sa muscle stores tsaka liver stores, nagiging glycogen. Huwag lang tayong kumain ng sobra, huwag tayong mag-calorie surplus, hindi siya magiging fat, lalo na kung nag-walking. Kung sumobra, magpapawis tayo. And then, mas maganda pag sumobra, mag-workout tayo to build muscle, stimulate muscle. Kasi the more muscles you have, the more calories you burn. Kaya laging 10 minutes walk, after a 15-minute workout, yun ang the best combination at calorie deficit para maging fit. Tama kayo, mali ako na siya, doctor. Do what works for you. Happy healthy!